The S&P 500 hits 2,000. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it's Tuesday, August 26, 2014, and the markets go bullish yet again. The S&P here, big news, hitting 2,000, setting a new benchmark, hitting an all-time record high. Very neat to see. The Dow up over 17,100. Just everybody doing exceptionally well, especially small caps up 0.85%, leading the charge for all major indices. Banks confirming today's bullish move. VIX, though, not confirming 2 days in a row. When we're nearing this 2,000 mark on the S&P 500, VIX, or the fear, has continued to stay high. So that's interesting to see. Gold popping 0.5%, silver up a fraction, and utility sector, which is a defensive sector, down a full percent here. Taking a look here at the S&P 500, big rally. We come up, stall at the moving averages, big rally. We come up here, stall at this trend line. Boom, yesterday we broke through that. Today we rally higher, but people immediately sold into those highs, just like they did yesterday. Anytime you get these upper shadows, people starting to sell into these highs, usually indicative of a drop coming. Let me draw a couple trend lines here. We're gonna go a line here to here, then from here to there, then from here to here, and then from there to there. So you can see the rolling over starting to take place here. And we have, this is a quiz for you. Put it down in the comments. What type of reversal pattern is this? This candlestick by itself. What type of reversal candle is that? Put it in the notes, and let's see who gets it correct. And if you think someone's wrong, or if you think it could be something else, put that in also. So anyway, what's interesting, and I will give a shout out to a colleague of mine at Tackle Trading that brought up a very, very good point in one of his videos. And you'll see here that in 2000, or right around 2000, when we hit these all-time highs, once we hit all these all-time highs, then we had this big drop happen. And this is right when we got the round number of 1,500. Got the 1,500 and the markets just broke down. And then in 2008, 2007, we again hit an all-time high. We're getting over previous highs. As soon as we hit those all-time highs, the markets pulled back hard. Well, what's interesting is now we just hit an all-time record high at a round number. So it'd be very interesting to see what happens. This is a monthly chart here. If you go here to a weekly chart, there's really nothing standing in its way. There's plenty of upside opportunity here. The thing that scares me, though, not scares me, but the thing where it causes me pause is that we're making a new high. From this swing high here, we're going higher, but the MACD is going lower. That's a bearish divergence in the making. So that I'm wary of. Go to a daily chart. The other thing is we're very extended. And if you look here, take a look at the run that we had here. This run from the low to the high, I'll take this and bring it right here. From the low to the high, we're about extended right there. Here we pulled back, but then continued higher. Be interesting to see what happens now that we made these all-time highs at a big 2,000 mark. So anyway, whatever happens, I had taken off my hedge, but today I re-added it. Today when we popped up, I unloaded it this morning, and then before the market ended, I went and got back into it. Want to be protected just in case the markets do decide to go south. I want to be protected in that case. So let's go into some stocks. Apple pulled back here, and that does not surprise me. We have resistance resistance right here. We got near that resistance and then pulled back. I'm actually still holding this. I'm going to sit through any pullback on this. As long as it stays above these moving averages, I'm good with it. And let's see, Amazon was up more than 2% today, just high base, boom, to the upside. Very, very strong, and very, very strong to see that. Facebook was up more than 1%. I actually own Facebook, another disclosure. And let's see, Google, I'm pulling back. I'm like Google, I would normally be liking this pullback. I don't like the increase in volume on the drop here. But GoPro is up 3.3%, making these new highs, really doing exceptionally well. LinkedIn, of course, holding its own. I'm about ready to buy some LinkedIn. It's building a nice high base. Taser, which I'm holding right now, building a high base. If it pops up here over 1650, it might be adding to my position. Twitter was up 4.5%, just a big boom to the upside on increased volume. Twitter is doing well, and I actually hold this one also. I'm a holder of Twitter as another disclosure, looking for a lot more upside with that. And anyway, so again, big news, big news on the S&P 500. Wow, to see the S&P 500 here at a 2,000 mark is extraordinary. And you guys got a email from me today. If you go to the website, click on events, we're going to be talking about trading computers and what you need to have when you have a trading computer, different trading packages that we like, and also some brokers. A lot of great information. Big time event coming up Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Pick one of the dates. It is very informative. You will love it. So take care. Safe trading. You guys love the comments. A lot of going back and forth. Fantastic constructive criticisms on our videos, especially from those who've been following us for many, many years. Some of you guys have been following us more than 5 years. That's incredible. Thank you so much for being loyal followers and being a part of our community and growing community at that. Take care, guys.